morning everyone, I am Summer and the cube solver is Likith. Today we are going to tell you how a speed cuber solves the cube. This is also known as the CFOP method. Now let's see the components of the cube. A cube is made of 6 faces. Each face has its own color, namely green, red, white, blue, orange and yellow. There are 3 important pieces: the center piece, edge piece and the corner piece. The first step is to make a white cross on the top. Here we are making a white cross. As you can see, a cross is formed. Now let's move to the next step. This step is known as the F2L method, wherein the first 2 layers are formed. An interesting fact of the Rubik's Cube is that there are 43 quintillion variations. Rubik's Cube was invented by Erno Rubik. As you can see, the first 2 layers have been formed. On to the next step. The step is known as the OLL, which is the orientation of the last layer. As you can see, the quick movements of the cuber gives him a large advantage. The last step, which is the PLL, is performed now, which is the permutation of the last layer. We are on to the last run of the cube solving. We have gifted ourselves a completely solved cube. We really encourage everyone to try out the cube.
I would like to thank our coordinators and the maths department for giving us this opportunity.
Thank you everyone for watching.